Guys, it seems like I've been waiting for this for months. But it couldn't have been months because, you know, HPI just announced the release of this thing probably, I don't know, just a couple months ago. Guys, what we have here is something amazingly cool. And of course, amazingly new. All we gotta do is get it out of the box. Sweet. Guys, I give you the HPI Savage Self-Builder's Kit. Something I've been waiting on for a very long time. Check it out, guys. It is the Savage Self-Builder's Kit. Clean little cutaway on the box. Let's get this thing turned over. Alright, let me go ahead and get this box on its end, guys. We're going to do a little bit more box art. So according to this thing, we're going to need some tools. We're going to need a receiver, an engine, thread lock, 2 servos, a hump pack, paint, a transmitter, glow igniter, glow fuel, and a charger. Guys, let me get you set up. We're going to take this thing out the box right now. You guys ready? Well, I'm guessing you've been ready all day, because I've been ready all month, all year. I've been ready for months. Let's see what HPI is giving us. We got our wheels. Clearly not glued, but I don't mind gluing wheels. We got a clear body, which this is not going to go box art. It's going to go something else. Although there is no box art, but it's not going to go by what the old one was. So this is going to be... I never really know. It looks like it's your upper cage. Radio box. This stuff. Oh, these are your body reinforcements. You got your more parts. You know, guys, give me 2 minutes. I'm going to lay all this stuff out, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is going to be hard to see with the glare, but I'm going to go through it little by little to show you what we got. So you got your clear body, you got your instruction manuals and your sticker kit. You got your frame rails, you got your fuel tank, you got your air filter. This one I can see some hubs on, some wheel nuts, some other things. Your exhaust system. There's frame rails in this one, and you can't see too much what's in that bag. This guy looks like he's going to be your clutch parts and your motor mount. You got to watch out because pin head is magnetic. They gave you some tools, shock oil, assembly grease, wheel nuts. I see some steering parts inside here. I see some linkages and dry shafts in this one. This guy, and I don't know if you guys can see what's in there, but that is very exciting because, guys, I built that Savage SS 4.6 earlier this year. Let's see if I can zoom in on that thing. And those diffs came pre-assembled, which means you couldn't detail them. And I like to build diffs. I like to build everything. It looks like we're probably going to be building the transmission on this thing too. Getting back, just a bunch more hardware. Your radio box. See some control arms in there. I see some shock bodies. I see some rod ends. This is your major plastic bag right here. All kinds of good stuff in here. This is your roll cage. And this is your body reinforcement, and there's your tires. It looks like that's what you're getting in the kit. What do we have to make all this work? We got a brand new in-box pull start Force 32. I've got the paint for the body. I've got the tape. I've got the fine line Tamiya tape. I've got a really nice 40 kilogram AGF-RC steering servo. That thing is nasty fast, it's super strong. I got an AGF-RC 32 kilogram throttle servo. And you got to be wondering, why such a strong throttle servo? Well, I like my brakes. I got a Fly Sky receiver, because I'm a fly guy. I got my Fly Sky transmitter, and I got a LiPo battery, so I can go ahead and run this thing, so these servos are going to live up to their potential, because the servos and this receiver have no issues with higher voltage. So guys, if you've never built a kit before, you are missing out, man. Building is some of the coolest thing you could possibly do in this hobby. But this is what this thing's supposed to look like. This is the last version of the Savage XL. So basically you're getting this minus the engine and the electronics, and obviously different tires. But listen guys, if you don't want to build one, watch me build one, because I'm going to be on this like you would not believe in the next few days. I'm going to try to get this thing running, painted, and on the ground, hopefully by Friday. But listen, guys, I will see you on the next one.